Meaning of drive-by.
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 Drive-by. Drive-by is a term used to describe a type of crime in which an individual or group of individuals commit a quick, opportunistic attack on someone or something while on the move. This most commonly refers to drive-by shootings, but it can also refer to drive-by thefts, vandalism, or other criminal acts. The purpose of a drive-by is usually a quick hit-and-run attack, often with the intention of causing damage or even harm without being identified by law enforcement. Drive-by crimes are dangerous and can result in serious injury or death for the victims.